Now we're going to check the tension of our top thread. Using a piece of scrap fabric on the 6 inches that you have between your quilt top to the edge is a perfect location to do this. I'm going to press the start-stop button and start checking my tension. So you can see I already have quite a bit of tanglage on the back and even the front. That means that my tension is very, very loose. So unlike setting the tension on your foundation tension, which is on your bobbin case, where you just go a little tick at a time, here you make full revolutions. So I'm going to turn to the right. So turning to the right increases your tension. Turning towards you decreases your tension. So let me make a full revolution here, maybe a revolution and a half. So to clarify, the tension on my bobbin case is set. I'm not worried about that tension. What I am checking for now is the tension on my top thread. So when you have tanglage on the bottom, it means that this thread is way too loose. When you have tangling of threads on the top, it means this top tension is way too tight. What you want to see is like this, where both threads are working together and meet in the middle and create an even stitch from top and bottom. Now, for purposes of demonstration, I used a dark thread on the top and a light thread on the bottom. So even with perfect tension, you will see a slight little dots from the top fabric. But the reason why I'm saying that my tension is perfect is because I do see that the bottom thread is creating almost like this little cushion effect where the two ends do go in and create an indentation. Same with the top thread. Now I want to show you what it looks like when your tension is too tight on the top. So I'm going to turn my tension maybe 3-4 times for demonstration purposes. I'm going to push the start-stop button. This is a good indication of what it looks like when the thread on the top is too tight. You'll see that the top thread is almost laying flat. It doesn't have any kind of indentations, or it doesn't dig into the middle of the fabric at all. And actually it's bringing up some of the bobbin thread, so it looks like there's little crosses all over. That's a good example of what it looks like when the tension is way too tight on the top.
And it's puckering your...
In addition, it's really puckering my fabric. So when there's good tension, none of this is happening. So now to correct this, I'm going to loosen the tension and bring it back to what good normal tension should be. So again, making full rotations. Let me check and see what my tension looks like. And there we have it. Tension that is good, and I'm ready to start quilting.